Are you losing money in the bank? Every day, the money you trust to a bank account is quietly eroded by the relentless force of inflation. Even as you diligently save, rising costs chip away at your purchasing power. What costs $100 today might cost $103 next year, leaving your savings less effective over time. This isn't just a theory, it's a financial reality. Banks typically offer interest rates between 0.5% and 2%, rates that hardly keep pace with the ever-increasing cost of living. As a result, your funds sit stagnant, slowly diminishing in value and exposing you to financial challenges ahead. But there is a better way. Investing opens a pathway not only to preserve your hard-earned money but also to grow your wealth significantly. Unlike the slow drip of interest from savings, the stock market has historically returned about 10% annually over the long term. Imagine the difference between money that barely grows and money that compounds into substantial wealth, year after year. Compound interest is a force to be reckoned with, a true financial marvel that Albert Einstein famously described as the eighth wonder of the world. The sooner you start investing, the more you benefit from this powerful mechanism. Every dollar you commit, and then reinvest, has the potential to multiply over time, transforming modest contributions into impressive financial gains. Think of it as planting seeds that evolve into a flourishing garden, each cycle producing richer rewards than the last. While traditional savings leave you exposed to the stealthy attack of inflation, investing empowers you to seize control of your financial destiny. It's not just about earning a little extra, it's about building a robust, secure future where your money actively works for you, shielding you from economic uncertainties. Now is the time to rethink your financial strategy. Instead of allowing inflation to silently erode your hard-earned money, embrace the power of investing to build long-term wealth. Start today, invest wisely, and let the magic of compound interest pave the way to a financially secure future. Remember, every moment counts. Seize the opportunity to secure your tomorrow. Remember, your financial future isn't something to postpone. Every passing moment is a missed opportunity for growth. With each wise investment, you reclaim power over your tomorrow, turning everyday challenges into stepping stones towards lasting security. Start now, transform your future with bold confidence.